Today we're going to learn about the importance of why we need to wash our hands during this pandemic. So the first thing I want you guys to do is collect all of the materials you'll need to conduct this experiment at home. So the first thing you're going to need is regular hand soap. Any hand soap will do. Also, I want you to try using dishwashing liquid, whatever your parents use to wash the dishes. You're going to need a little bit of black pepper. And I have a bowl for each type of soap. Just put a little bit of water in the bowls or containers, whatever it is that, so you can see. And then a paper towel to dry your hands after. You're also going to go wash your hands immediately after the experiment. Okay, so hang in there and we're going to get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to show you is how germs can get into your body, get all over your body, your hands. So for this experiment, we're going to show how germs and bacteria can get on your hands and why it's so important to wash your hands frequently. So we have a little bit of the pepper. We're going to put it inside of the bowl. Ooh. So these are germs. These are all of the bad things that get into our systems that give us the cold and the flu and the sniffles and the yuckies, right? So what we're going to do is first I want you to show you what happens by touching things and not washing your hands. So here, you ready? We're going to go we're just going to go ahead and show you guys. So this is what happens when you pull your finger away from something that has dirt and bacteria. You see the yucky pepper all over you? Pretend those are germs, okay? Also pretend that that is the COVID-19 coronavirus, and this is how it gets on your body. Then you go later and you start scratching your face, touching yourself, and I'm gonna be very visual, so you'll see when you scratch your face how the germs can spread all over and get into your mouth. Okay, I'm going to take a quick pause, I'm going to clean up, and we're going to continue with our experiment. Alright kids, now I want to show you why it's so important to wash your hands and how the soap and the dishwashing liquid counteract germs and help you so that you can stay healthy and clean and safe, particularly from the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how important it is to wash your hands. So the same finger that we used before, now it has soap on it, and I want to show you, matter of fact, I just want you to see. I'm not even going to tell you. Just have a look at what happens when you go near these germs now. Wow, look at that. Fingers clean. There are no germs. And we can touch, we can put our finger in there, and it helps us to avoid all of the bacteria and the dirt and the germs. And that is just with regular hand soap, any hand soap. So they say when it comes to hand soap, as long as it makes bubbles while you're washing and you see the white foaminess, then it's a good soap, okay? So now we're gonna put a little bit of pepper so that we can show you the dishwashing liquid. So this is regular soap, and now we're gonna do the dishwashing liquid soap. Okay, a lot of pepper. All right, we're gonna try our other finger, even though this one is still clean. Put a little bit of dishwashing liquid on your finger, not too much. We need that so that mommy and daddy and your families can wash the dishes. All right, you ready? Big surprise, drum roll please. We're gonna go right into the dirtiness and the bacteria. Here we go. Does it work? Oh yes, it's avoiding all of the dirt and all of the bacteria. Nice and clean, look at that. All right, so we have our paper towel. We're gonna dry our fingers. So after, I want you to make sure you clean up. Don't leave the mess for your family to clean up after you. But I just want you to remember how important it is to wash your hands at least 5 times a day. I know we discussed this when we did our DJ dance party. So remember, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, that's 3 times a day. And in between, 2 little snacks when you're running into the kitchen and you're getting your 2 snacks during the day. That's also time that I want you to wash your hands. And I want you to say the alphabet 2 times. So that's how that we know we've been washing our hands long enough. You can't just put the soap on and put your hands under the water. That doesn't help. You have to wash just with the soap. Sing your ABCs. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. You're not done. You got to say it 2 more times. Again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you're done. Now you rinse your hands, clean them off, and remember, 5 times a day. I love all of you. I want you to be safe. I want you to enjoy yourself, and remember that we will get through this pandemic together as a family. Take care.